everyone, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a Rihanna inspired makeup tutorial inspired by the look that she wore in Italy for her Fenty Beauty launch. I watched the video here on YouTube of how her makeup artist did the makeup look, and I wanted to recreate it for myself because I thought it was just beautiful and just so gold and bronzy, and it just really looked perfect for the summertime. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right on into the tutorial. Alright, so for eyes, I'm going to be using the Profusion Eye and Cheek Palette, and the first shade that I'm going to take is the shade Terrific, and I'm just going to apply that to the flat side of this double-ended eyeshadow brush and apply that to the outer half of my lid and my crease and slowly work it into my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Cookie, and I am just going to apply that straight into my crease, and I'm going to work it a little ways upward, kind of towards my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take the gold shade in the palette called Antique, and I am just going to apply that to my lid. Alright, next up, I'm going to use the Tarte Leave Your Mark palette, and I'm just going to take the highlighter from this palette right there, and I am going to pop that into my inner corner just to add a little bit more pizzazz to the eyes. Last thing we are going to do is take a clean eyeshadow brush, and we are just going to blend everything out just to make sure there are no harsh edges or lines in our shadow. The eyes, I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply some mascara. The mascara that I'm going to be using today is just the Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara from Essence Cosmetics, and I've really been liking this mascara. I did a first impressions on it that you guys will see really soon, so that is just what I'm going to use today. Bronze up my skin, I'm going to be using this bronzer and highlighter duo from Beauty Big Bang in the shade 03, and I'm just going to be using the bronzer side right there, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using my e.l.f. angled blush brush. Alright, next up for cheeks, I'm just going to be using this blush from the Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette, and this blush is in the shade Blushing Glow, and I am just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks using my unicorn blush brush. Alright, and then it would not make any sense for this video to be a Rihanna inspired makeup tutorial if I did not use something from her own makeup line, right? So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustla Baby on the tops of my cheeks. Alright, lastly for lips, I'm going to use a combination of two things because Rihanna had a really pretty shimmery bronzed lip. So first off, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild matte lipstick in the shade Bare It All. And this is just a really pretty brown nude on me. So I'm just going to use that. And then over the top of it, to get the shimmery metallic finish, I'm going to use the new Essence Metal Shock lip gloss in the shade Mercury, and that is just what it looks like. It's really pretty and metallic, and it's kind of got a little bit of a gold hue to it with a little bit of a bronze shimmer, so it's going to be perfect for this look. Alright, I have one quick tip that I want to share with you guys before I go. So, if you ever put a lip gloss over a lipstick, and before you stick the wand back into the lip gloss tube, take a Kleenex and just kind of wipe off the wand, so that way you don't end up mixing colors with the gloss and with the lipstick, and that way you can keep your gloss to its true original color. So, I just wanted to give you guys that little tip before I said goodbye. Alright, you guys, that is it for this makeup tutorial. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.